and let the one who has no sword sell his cloak and buy one.
Hey guys, this is Spencer with Defense Training, and we're going to disassemble and reassemble a basic field stripping of the Canik Mete MC9LS. Stay tuned.
This video is brought to you by Holsters by Defense Training. Make sure to check them out at holstersbydefensetraining.com.
Alright guys, so we're back and we're going to field strip this real quick. So the first thing we want to do, remove your magazine. I've already cleared this one, but we want to check it. Make sure it's clear, nothing's in there. Now, you've got actually one tab, but it's on both sides. So you've got right here, and you've got right here, the little blocky looking ones. What we're going to do is we're going to pull that, we're going to take it, and we're going to pull it down. So we're going to pull it down, we're going to kind of pull back just a hair. Now I'm going to pull the trigger. This is going to go forward. Now this one's not going to slide all the way off. At this point, it's basically going to pull up. And what you have here is you have your little part of the rail. I call these little wings. And you've got where they slide in right here. You see the break in the rail right there? So that's where they slide in and out. So you have to make sure that that matches. So if you don't have it right, if you go too far, it won't come off. So if I'm too far, it won't come off. If I'm not far enough, so I have to wiggle it, and then it comes right off. And then basically to take the spring out, we're going to push forward and go. So we're going to push them forward a little bit, pull this away. So it's going to be something like that. And then the barrel is the same thing. I'm going to push it forward, and we're just going to wiggle it out. And that's what we have. We have ready to clean. So you can take this, clean it. You can watch our other videos on how to clean it, and then come back and watch how to put it back together. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back together, and it's basically the exact opposite. So I'm going to take here, I'm going to insert to the bottom hole. You're going to kind of have to wiggle it, get it in to where it's not moving. And we're going to take the spring here, we're going to put it in that top hole, and make sure that your larger spring here and your flat here, then you got your smaller spring. This is to the back, this is to the front. We're going to go, and then you're going to have this little indention right here. You have a two-step. We're going to put it up on that top, that first little notch right here. Now we're basically just going to set that down on. So we're going to put it, we're going to kind of hold the barrel down. Then we're going to push forward, and we're going to seat it. If you see us on that first notch right there. Not the second one, but that first notch, and then we're going to put it back together. We're going to take where the rail break, right here is the rail break, and we're going to match it up with your little ears right here. So I'm going to take the rail break, I'm going to sit it down on it. So this is what it looks like from the side, roughly right in here. So you've got about that much distance from here, and then all we're going to do is pull it back. You may have to wiggle it back. Make sure it works, make sure nothing's falling off, make sure we look good, and then this is ready to go do some shooting. Alright guys, this is Spencer with Defense Training. Stay safe, stay armed.
We've been instructing firearm training courses since 2008 and offer South Carolina concealed weapons permit classes, church safety security team training, advanced handgun training, ultrasonic handgun cleaning, and much more. Go to defensetraining.org for more info and to get signed up for a class. Also, make sure to check out our online store for our custom Kydex handgun and magazine holsters. We offer in the waistband, outside the waistband, appendix, and our new track appendix carry holster, as well as active retention magazine holsters, and other firearm and everyday carry accessories. Check them out at holstersbydefensetraining.com. We hope to see you at our next video.